because you look so fine that I really want to make you mine. I say you look so fine that I really want to make you mine. 4, 5, 6, come on and get your kicks. Now you don't need the money when you look like that, do you, honey? Big black boots, long brown hair. She's so sweet with her get back stare. Well, I can see you home with me, but you were with another man, yeah. I know we ain't got much to say before I let you get away, yeah. I said, are you gonna be my girl? Take my hand and come with me because you look so fine that I really want to make you mine. I say you look so fine that I really want to make you mine. 4, 5, 6, come on and get your kicks. Now you don't need the money with a face like that, do ya? Big black boots, long brown hair. She's so sweet with her get back stare. Well, I can see you home with me, but you were with another man, yeah. I know we ain't got much to say before I let you get away, yeah. I said, are you gonna be my girl?
And there you have it. 3 ways to wear your leather motorcycle jacket this season that are not just jeans and a t-shirt. Did you have a favorite? I totally had a favorite because I am obsessed with those purple pants from Look 2. As you watched the video, I hope you thought about how you could recreate some of these looks in your own wardrobe, or that they just inspired something you hadn't thought of before. Now, whether you're buying vegan or the real thing, these jackets can be an investment. So I want to help you get the most wear and make the best choice when it comes to your leather jacket purchase. So I put together a guide of all things leather jacket styling. In this guide, we cover what to look for when buying your jacket, some basic style principles that'll help you wear it, and lots of outfit ideas thrown in there as well. You can download it over here or by going to rebeccajacobs.style/leather-jacket. If you want to let me know what you thought of today's video, or if you have a request for another ways to wear it video, leave me a comment below or let me know over on Instagram. You can find me at rebecca.jacobs, and I'm sharing my real wardrobe on the daily over there. And if you haven't hit subscribe yet, what you waiting for? Lots more style guides, style inspiration coming your way, and I don't want you to miss out. Stay stylish. Today's mini style session is all about figuring out what piece is missing in your wardrobe. The piece that if you had it, you could wear so many pieces that are sitting hardly worn in your closet. The piece that if you had it, you could get rid of 10 pieces you don't really even like that much.